A Hamilton murder trial wound up in turmoil today. The accused killer refusing to leave his jail cell and go to court, with family and friends of the victim saying he's playing games with the justice system. Al Sweeney was at court this morning and joins us with the details. Al.
Matt, this is an accused murderer who repeatedly called the judge "Your Majesty" when he was in court last week, dressed in a jailhouse jumpsuit and leg irons with a police guard. And instead of hiring a lawyer, he's defending himself on a first-degree murder charge that could mean life in prison. 26-year-old Jheidon Serieaux is charged with stabbing and killing 31-year-old Christopher Sim in 2021 in the parking lot of the former Mission Services building on James Street North. His trial began last week, but on Friday it was called off for the day because he was feeling sick. Then today, Serieaux refused to appear in court. Justice Harrison Arrell said this morning he'd been told Serieaux was refusing to leave his cell and come to court from the Hamilton Wentworth Detention Center. The victim's family and friends were angry over the development.
Playing games, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, playing games.
I don't see how he can have the right not to, like, if he's got a court date, they should make him come.
The judge was trying to figure out how to proceed. As a matter of a fair trial, the judge has to ensure that the accused can see the evidence and testimony against him so that he can respond. It's even more pressing in this case since Serieaux has chosen to conduct his own defense and has to be able to follow the case closely so that he can make his case. Even though Serieaux is representing himself, the judge has appointed 2 lawyers as friends of the court to help in the case. Veteran criminal lawyer Peter Boushy says it's important in serious cases like this.
Well, usually with self-represented accused, the courts will want a lawyer there to deal with the legal issues, perhaps do the cross-examination of vulnerable complainants, and basically ensure that the rights of the self-rep or self-represented accused are protected.
Today, lawyers suggested to the judge that Serieaux was off his medications in jail and would be more comfortable in a mental health center in Penetanguishene where he's been before. The court eventually agreed to send him there as he wants so the trial can go ahead. The victim's family says the accused is trying to manipulate the system.
I think he's playing a game, and he knows he's playing a game. He's seen all the evidence that was given, and he knows what he did.
So now he's refusing to come out of his cell, so
yeah.
So what happens here? Just a matter of time before the
Now
judge
it's a waiting game. Now we go by what he wants to do.
So the Crown agreed to let the trial go ahead over Zoom to ensure a fair trial and move it forward. The judge set Wednesday morning for the trial to resume, although he expressed frustration with what's going on and indicated he doesn't have a lot of confidence that it's going to go smoothly.